Yes, sir.
Good morning, Brown Hornet. Good morning, Brown Hornet.
Hey, Brown, it's not his fault, Brown. Brown, it's not his fault, Brown. He's showing out.
You're on the 127. That's the 127 I like to hear. That's that 127 I like to hear. Now, that's the audio clearness and loudness I like to hear. The audio message from carrier. You're on the 127. I'm getting down.
What you talking about, Willis? Ain't nobody like hearing me. Ain't nobody like hearing me. Me and the stock mic back out.
Well, it sounds pretty good coming from my radio. I don't know about what everybody else think. I know about what I hear and what I think. Good morning time to you. This is 127. Hope you had a good Thanksgiving. Your Brown Hornet smoke you got on it down. Brag.
Actually, it wasn't bad. It was even better the next day, man. Old Brooklyn kid, old Prince over there. Yo, my man bought me a plate of food. I tell you what, I ain't leaving this life without finding out how the hell they candied yams like that.
Right on, Mr. 127. Your worldwide Brown Hornet right here trying to get up in the Big Apple to start another work week. Brown Hornet Mobile got down.
And then Duck Plugger. He ain't been on the radio since. I'm gonna have to let my fingers do the walking to thank him for that shit. Your 127 back way.
Now, what the hell are you talking about? What is you talking about? But nevertheless, anyway, good morning, everybody. Once again, y'all. I'm sending my condolences out to the 680 family. Oh, Brown Hornet Mobile right here, y'all.
It is officially 6:00 in the a.m. It is officially 6 o'clock in the a.m. and your microphone checker CB receive record is on the bandway. Something's really up, you'll hear it. But listen, don't you know that that's the effect? Hey, bro, Brian, don't you know that that's the effect of what happens when you're already horny and you take a piece of Viagra? That's what happens.
It is what it is. It is what it
is. Some people listen to the gate and really want to figure it out. They really don't like what it is at the moment.
Top of the morning to you. Top of the morning to you, Brown Hornet. Top of the morning to you, 127 and 4. Number 4, Abu is in the cut. Good morning, Abu. Good morning, Abu. Right back at you, man. Good morning, time to you. Hope all is well with you. Hope everybody's still safe and blessed. Oh, Brown Hornet's mobile waved his hand, getting out your way, buddy. 410. Oh, Hornet is back on again. I hope you had that good old turkey day. Abu quiet.
Good morning, Abu.
All right, man. Lord have mercy, I was good, man. Had about 5 days off. Relax my body, relax my mind, cleanse my system. Yeah, Abu, I couldn't have nothing better than that, man. I was back to the grind, time back to the salty mind. 010 on that grind into the salty mind. I know you enjoyed it. I seen a couple of posters here and there. Okay, Abu gonna pull it back. I heard you 127. Pickup truck, Abu gone. Santa Claus is going straight to the ghetto. Oh, it's up to the reindeers. And going straight to the ghetto.
In the ghetto.
Well, good morning, Mr. Enforcer. Good morning, Mr. 250. Good morning, time to you on this blisterous Monday morning. Hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving as I did. And wish you...
Oh, that's my cue to go run these errands. I'll be back in a little bit. Your gate rolling.
Mr. Enforcer, your Brown with this mobile right here. Get it down.
I hear that. Hey, Brown, I hope your holiday was just as fine. Brown Hornet, 250, my baby driver. And I just got down.
410, loud and proud as always. I'm rocking the mail.
Roger, roger. As soon as that individual heard me, he ran to the kitchen or ran...
Hey, Brown, listen to your audio. Something's chopping, clipping you out on peaks, man. Something's not right.
Come out here whipping on me. I'll do that too there, heard you.
Hey, Brown, I'm trying to be friendly out here, Brown. I'm not no bully. I ain't got no big guns out here. It's just little old me.
Right on, though. I think he got that new tube warmed up, though. I think he's ready to rock and roll now. He got that new tube. He done broken in. He sounded, I don't know what radio he's using, but he sounded real good this morning. But nevertheless, good morning, Mr. Enforcer. Enjoy the rest of your day while I'm trying to ease up in the Big Apple, coming out of Newark, Jersey. Old Brown on the mobile getting down.
Roger, roger. 250 back quiet.
And it's all mine.
Bought umbrellas. There's gonna be raining cats and dogs out.
Well, he in love, man. He loved keying with me, Brian, all up in his strawberry. So let me take that as my cue to actually go run these errands. We'll take care of that like that.
Yeah, make sure you wear your raincoat today.
That's what I just said. Either umbrella or raincoat. It's definitely gonna rain out there. But we need it, though. We could use the rain. The plants, the trees, you know how it is.
Yeah, 10-4. that one.
Listen, it could be 2 feet of snow, you know what I mean? So, you know, we're blessed that it's only rain. 2 inches of rain, I'll take over 2 feet of snow anytime.
All day long, man. But I wouldn't mind a little bit of snow action. I wouldn't mind a little bit of snow action. Something that we can clear real fast, no doubt about it. Nothing just looks so beautiful here when it's snowing. Oh, good morning, everybody. That's anybody that wants to be somebody who knows somebody to take care of everybody. Yo, Brown Hornet Mobile right here at the Garden State, right on the main line, right there.
Morning, Brown Hornet, and yes, I could really use a little snow. The ice I don't like, but I could use a little snow.
That's the real deal, so I'm gonna give my time to you. That's the real deal. I'm gonna take so much up, but that ice can stay right where it's at. Put the little snow, bring a little cha-ching in my pocket. That snow brings some more cha-ching in my pocket.
Yeah, tough more on that one.
Every time I tell somebody their antenna came loose, I'm usually right.
Yeah, I hear that too. Will you say that, come on?
Well, he ain't hearing a damn thing from me about it, so let the video gay tell it.
What'd you say, come on there, Bruce? Check your connections, you sound like you got something loose. Oh shit, my coax. Oh, there you go. How the hell did they get loose? Oh, I switched radios again, damn it.
Richie talking that red eye to tickle my fister, that's what he thought it was.
I should know something too. I'm glad that boys let me know what's going on, man. Sure did, huh? Glad you let me know something was going on. Give me all the time to you. Worldwide Brown Hornet, Worldwide Brown Hornet. That little better right there. Hey, pick up that little better right there. Come on.
That's a whole lot better, man. I can't have you messing up the longest running and the only real morning show out here. I'm back out.
Oh, now my coax was loose in the back of the radio. I forgot the radio was on yesterday. I thought I'd tighten that sucker up.
Well, then all you gotta do is disregard half this video game prior. Because I know you cursed me at least twice out there so far.
You don't see where your receivers go in and out, whatever, you know what I'm saying? And I didn't pay no mind, just figured with the airways, but nah, it was definitely with the coax. As soon as I touched, I heard it rattling.
And they're right on center frequency.
Alright, well that's where I put those radios. Alright, I'll be back, man. It seems like every time I jump, I'm like a cue card out here.
Oh, Mr. Enforcer? Ew, this almighty star gun.
You know how homos are, they only key for one dick.
I'm not talking about we be out here fighting, so I threw the fighting pole on this morning. I got that pole
King!
this morning, nigga. I was thought, well, come out here and do a little fighting, no doubt about it. But nevertheless, y'all, give all the time to you. Old Brown on it getting down.
Can't believe the end of November and it's 53 degrees. Lord have mercy.
I love the sun cycle.
Pretty soon we're gonna have 70-degree winters.
Fucking weather, man.
And they say there's no such thing as global warming.
I'll tell you what, when you do not see a rainbow in that sky, then start worrying about global warming. As long as you're able to spot a rainbow, keep fantasizing. Be quiet.
I think it's time for some Java. That's what I think. Hey, Brown, I think it's time for some Java, man. I didn't have my Java in the morning.
Let me shut the preamp. That preamp makes 2-5 the homo think he boss out here.
Brown might be headed to the tunnel right now.
Geez, Mikey, I shut the preamp off. I lost 5 bars of... Hey, Mikey, I think my neighbor gonna be MIA till Wednesday or something. He'll probably be humping on hump day. Because I dialed him up, he didn't answer neither.
Don't worry, I got in touch with him.
Oh, okay, good. Then we were all right, okay. That put a smile on my face. I'm back quiet. You're not giving them that one you're talking on right now, are you?
Nah, this is a 955. He getting a 655.
Oh, okay, all right. I thought that one was flying. My bad. I figured, and if that was the case, I would have told him straight up, first next transmission I get a chance to. You couldn't pay me to go back into it. I'm back quiet.
Test 1, 2. Big city. Big dreams. Big city. Big dreams. The city's so damn nice they named it twice. New York, New York. Good morning in the tri-state areas. Good morning in the 5 boroughs. Mr. Brown, Horny Smoke Beer right here in this concrete jungle. Bumping and rocking, bumping and rocking, bumping and rocking the mail. Big banger.
Damn loud mouth.
What do you say, 127 there? Come on, bring it, bring it.
Me, I didn't say a dang thing.
Oh, Terrell, you say you didn't say a damn thing. Terrell, you fool. Yeah, he's just talking to himself. Well, as long as he don't answer himself, he all right. He can talk to himself. As long as he don't answer himself, he all right. There, Roger. Oh, he answering and carrying on all by himself. Say it ain't so, 127. Say it ain't so.
How you want me to say it ain't so? That's what makes me the hell of a detective and closer I am. I'm back quiet.
If it's not Sade, it's Joe for Stone.
He's jealous. Yo, my life, my career, my family. Got this man all fucked up in the head. I'll be right back.
The one and only got there, girl. That's what I'm talking. That's what I like to see. Yo, audio. Hey, Pistol, it's not good to talk to yourself. Maybe you need to talk to somebody, not to yourself. There, Roger.
Okay.
If you need somebody to talk to, I know a good shrink, Devo.
He make a shrink go crazy.
He make a shrink want to lay down, too. Oh, my God.
Listen, it's not a lie, dude. It's not a lie. Psychiatrists got smart. They won't talk to me anymore. I'll demand a written test because I'm tired of having them walk out going, now I need a psychiatrist.
Shame on the mess.
I never ever make a mess on or off the mic. I ever gotta be ashamed of. That's the difference, homie.
You got that Java flowing? You got that Java flowing there, Brea?
No.
Like, listen, like my jizz running off the lip, man. Like my hot sauce running down that chin.
Tell 127 you don't hear that boy. Where's he? Where's
I'll be right back. I'm running up to the kitchen.
Visiting.
I don't think that was him. Well, he wouldn't care knowing where I'm at. He wouldn't care. And you know I just came out the tunnel, so he's not going to care. Oh, it was him. It was him.
It was him.
Yeah, I like stepping on him the minute you come out that tunnel. The minute you enter his block, I like doing that.
Key and go run for the Java. He gonna start keying up again. hey, Brown, I give him a couple of seconds air time, man. He's got 30 seconds. Let me go run get my coffee.
Oh, damn.
And he's got a new tube, and I still slap him. I'll be back.
Well, I gotta hear it in the distance. We gotta do that key down again. I mean, he got a new tube and everything. I guess we can do that key down again. Cause he sounded pretty good when I was coming in. He had a VM out there when I was coming in.
He won't do it, Brown. He won't.
Hey, Brown, there ain't no reason to do no key down and shit until that nigga right there beats exit 6. Brown, the next time you get to bother me with a key down is when you say you could hire him past exit 6.
There goes that upgrade.
Hey, Brown, I'm just gonna say one thing. He's gonna need more than a new tube. He's gonna need.
I'll tell you what. Hey, Brown Hornet. When Panty Snatcher says that his base station up there can hear him in the morning, then talk to me about a key down.
I think he's gonna need Santa Claus and a fairy godmother to help him.
Oh my goodness. Hey, 127, have you been naughty this year? Have you been naughty or have you been nice, Pistol Breaker?
Listen, I think since I shut down Nemesis Radio, I've been nothing but naughty.
That's why Santa Claus ain't coming to the house today. Santa Claus been there already. Santa Claus brought him in a new tube.
And maybe we'll see him in the Santa Claus suit this year if he didn't put on too much weight. Well, let's see.
You won't see me in no Santa Claus suit till I have a full head of hair again. I'll be back.
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Go ahead, sucker. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yankee Mobile, get on down.
Good morning, Lady 652. Your Sound King is clear.
Good morning, Sound King. Heard you in there, had to wave a hand. Wave it at you, Brown Hornet. Wave it at your pickup truck. Wave it at your 250. Everyone have a safe, pleasant day.
Good morning from Lady 652. Have a super fun, blessed day as well.
I heard what you said when you said what you said. I guess Brown Hornet's in the tunnel.
No, I wasn't in the tunnel. I wait for the boys to finish. I wait for everybody to finish so I can get it in.
you ever get a chance to look at the turkey I put up?
You put a picture of me in the air?
I promise you that. Ain't nothing left. I tried to do all that. I had some family come over, you know, my daughters, my grandkids, and stuff like that came over, you know. And a few of the in-laws, one of my cousins came from down south. It wasn't that no big gathering, but just enough, man, to everybody finish off, you know. Maybe Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And I think that was enough for me, Timbo.
10-4, I'm talking about the picture I put up on my page.
Oh, I seen that. I seen that, Timbo.
Lady 652.
10-4, 410.
Lady 652.
Yes, kick it and go, Doc.
Doc? You heard Doc? We ain't heard him in 3 days. But Lady 652, you really put a picture of me up there? It can't be me because I'm known as the jive turkey. So what you saying? You put a picture of a jive turkey up on the page or a regular turkey?
A turkey that I cooked.
It wasn't no damn jive. It was damn sure wasn't you.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Lady 652. I heard you. Brr.
Shame on it. I don't eat jive turkeys. I eat live turkeys after they've been cooked. I'm back quiet.
Oh, good morning, Abu. Good morning.
Abu, you didn't see the thumbnail? You didn't see my thumbnail? What kind of turkey John Shaft eat on Thanksgiving?
Nah, I didn't catch it. Good morning, pickup truck. I was hollering at you, but you was gone.
Yeah, I jumped out to grab a coffee when I told Brown he had a wire loose.
Tenfold. All right, I'm gonna go on the side, copy the mail, get me something to grab, put in the tub. Abu 00104 is in the cut.
Abu, I reset my device, so I ain't got that photo in my gallery anymore. But I will put a video up on Brown's Morning Show page. Disregard the video. Just check out the thumbnail on it. Funny as hell.
Man. Oh, yeah, what they say, good to the last drop, man. You can't beat it.
Uh-oh, hold on, man. My hot sauce is good to that last drop.
You're right on, man. No doubt about it. Yo, test 1 2. You ain't no background, man. I got too much background, let me know. I can clear it out.
Nah, but I do hear a little whine from the engine, but other than that, it sounds good.
Yeah, that I want you to hear. That's all, man. But I let them amps get in there.
Roger.
You got background, I messed up.
Oh, yeah, squirrel catching a nut. Hey, big, that dog smoking now, boy. That dog strike force is on the money right now. It's striking, it's making a full force. Roger, right on.
You talking about the 470s?
No, I ain't talking about Trisco and family, Timber.
You talking about the full force?
No, I ain't talking about bow-legged Luna either, Timber.
Well, may the force be with you.
Well, I might be talking to the Jedi Knight, because that's the Jedi Knight talking right now, that damn striker, Timber.
10-4, I'm back quiet.
In the moonlight.
Just want to get up there, girl. Let me get on this gas a little bit. Worldwide, brown, horny, worldwide. There she go. That's what I want right there. Test 1 2. Oh, brown, horny, getting on down. No, brown, horny. Hey, brown, horny, you in the motel. I was just working my ground loop. Hey, Brown, I was just working my ground loop. Well, I never heard of no such thing, no damn ground loop, no plugger. You working just fine, no plugger. Good morning, Yankee. I heard you ease up in there and say good morning time to me. Good morning, Yankee. You got a Roger Dodge and it's good talking, good riding, good looking, mobile. Yankee, you're brown horny right here, rocking the mail, baby.
And the name of that song was Let Me Love You in the Moonlight.
That's you go. Let me step on you. All night. Let me step on you. Crazy day in the morning. But he was right. They did make that song, Let Me Love You. They did make it. But we don't want to hear him sing it, Timbo. That's right. That's right.
Somebody said force the MC, so I'm the MC. I'm sorry.
Yeah, please. Please. No singing, please.
Well, listen.
Oh, Jesus. What the hell? Let me get away from you. I'm worldwide, Brown Hornet. I'm worldwide, worldwide. Hey, Brown Hornet, I'm worldwide. You sound like that. You sure is. Sound like that, Timbo.
Does he ever thank the tech? Hell no.
Why would he do that? Why would he do that? The tech head is big enough already. Why would he do that?
Listen, that don't mean shit. I gotta share all the after fun.
Screaming all the time. Ow! Yelling and screaming. Yelling and screaming. You don't know what you're doing. You don't know what you're doing. We're looking up like guy. You'll make a ground loop. What the hell? Hey, what the hell is a damn ground loop? I heard you mention that before. What the hell is a damn ground loop? What the hell are you talking about, a ground loop?
Some cats never paid attention in school. They have no idea that electricity takes the shortest path, and that the strongest ground is always going to be the shortest ground.
Too, shame on it.
It's a fucking mobile. If I was him, I'd take that tube and send it back.
Yeah, he should get a refund for that, for real.
Damn, boy. Damn, that door was loose, boy. They cracking jokes in that tube of yours, the pistol. I guess you gotta come out here and DX and show them boys what it's really doing out there. You gotta show us what it's really doing when that DX come out here. I ain't heard you in the DX saying the last couple of days when I've been off. I've been out here talking, man, but I ain't been hearing nobody call you. You ain't been out here calling no Skip. What, you was hiding? What's going on?
Brown, as the video gates will show and prove when the skip is out there, them duck pluckers are smart enough not to key that mic one time.
Oh, Josh, you gotta know. I know there's somebody, at least somebody calling you duck plug. All the time I've been out there, I got a couple of days. There's nobody. I don't know if you was out there or not. I don't know. You might have been. I don't know. But I ain't hear nobody calling you, getting back to you, man. I thought I said, well, damn, Pistol Grip ain't talking no damn Skip.
That's right. I was hardly playing up for the last week, man. I'm doing a different kind of demonstration for my my soon-to-be asshole-in-law over there.
Wait a minute. Hold on, wait a minute. You say he's doing a new, different kind of demonstration? Well, what kind of demonstration you doing there, sir?
I'm pulling an Iron Eagle, what it's like to keep my mouth shut. What it's like to keep my big mouth shut. See, that's only in Hollywood. Just like justice, only in Hollywood.
That's when you're getting spanked out here. That's what he's trying to say.
All right, I'll be back, man. The homo thinking about spanking me.
Exactly. He's admitting defeat.
You got the white flags ablazing. Not 127. Not the man that said can't nobody put him away. This is the man that said can't nobody put him 10-7. This is the man that said can't nobody shut him down. This is the man that said he's a sound king. This is the man that said he's a skip king. Not that duck plugger, not him. Y'all talking about that guy?
I ain't heard that duck plucker since he left Utica Avenue.
Shoot, I put the boot on him like...
I ain't heard that duck plucker since he left Utica Avenue.
Oh my goodness. Boy, oh boy. I even heard the big man come out here talking about duck plug. That duck plugger big man on stuck out here the other day.
Oh yeah, man, we had him stuck on stupid real nice.
That offer still stands, Brown. Whoever brings him over, I give him a brand new...
Is this homo still begging? Is this homo still begging y'all? Is this homo still begging y'all?
Well, if we bring him over, his offer doesn't mean dead or alive, or he got to be alive, Ray?
No, he has to be
alive, man, you know? Yeah, I like to...
Come on, man. You know how homos operate, man. They want something that's alive so they can lick lively.
Right? I got the cat over here. Hey, stop it. Got one cat chasing the other over here. Early morning craziness.
That damn pistol, that's a short version. That's a short Telly Savalas. That's all you need is a lollipop. That's a short Telly Savalas.
Well, I can get a...
Hey, man, I ain't got no Astro Pops. I ain't got no Astro Pops, but my girlfriend's in the FBI can reveal what I actually do with Astro Pops. But I'm all out of Astro Pops. Who loves you, baby?
Come on, well, first thing he's got to talk about is Fantasy Island. We're trying to have a construction...
What the hell's wrong with this momo? That plucker got a bunch of ex-girlfriends that can testify what Richie does with Astro Pops? Hell no.
Relax.
What'd you say, W? Yeah, right.
Maybe he'll give up all the fantasies, man.
Listen, I know how to make Astro Pops twice as tangy.
Give up all his fantasies like Joe Stone and Sade. Maybe we could look forward to a new year.
Well, that's his world. He's not gonna give up his world. That's his world. That's the only world he got control of. That's the only thing he got control of is in his world, right?
Oh, now I get it, Brian. You're telling me when he says he's in full control, that's what he's talking about?
He's in his world. He's in his own world, too, bro.
Yeah, I got it.
If I wanted to give it up, I wouldn't have done so much to earn it. And to justify being called an up-and-coming cowboy and a brat.
Oh, my God. Who's that?
And you're welcome to dignify that with a reply.
Skrill, boy, you got some type of skrill in there. Woo. You got a squirrel problem there, buddy. Who's that? Boy, you got a squirrel? I hope you're not barefoot squirrel. You're barefoot squirrel. Something's definitely wrong if you're barefoot and squirreling like that. Might be a dead battery in your microphone. You got a power mic or something, man. Something ain't right.
Supposed to make them scream. We're supposed to make them scream, not squeal.
I don't know. Chris Blow says, somebody scream!
Oh, boy. Well, we're over here at the sugar mine, but we can't go up till 7:15.
When I'm tuning in Tokyo, they purr.
Oh, my God.
Oh, brother.
You making them purr, you playing with them.
They're playing.
Yeah, well, they all talking about it, but none of them know what tuning in Tokyo really is. Go right ahead.
Next thing he gonna be...
Especially homos like that, man.
That was a good cartoon, though, if anyone remembers Gigantor.
Oh, yeah. Okay, that's part of Hanna-Barbera.
I tell you, the Japanese made some good cartoons, man.
Yeah.
And don't forget Speed Racer.
Yeah, but the Barberas were all fake, next to Marvel, and them Barberas make them all feel like they Johnny on a quest.
Yeah, why don't I remember Gigantor? I mean, I'm old enough. I watched Hanna-Barbera.
You know why, Yankee, you know why. Hey, yeah, Yankee, you know why. Barbera ain't part of Chosen, I'm back out.
What's the other one they had out there? Ultron and all that stuff out there like that, right?
Yeah, Temple, I don't remember that stuff.
Barbera ain't nothing but drugged out fantasy created from DC and Marvel. No place in the upbringing.
talk there, sir.
Hey, listen, I don't ever want the facts to ever be misconstrued. The real deal is the real deal. What's in print stays in print. It ain't your name up in print.
He always be fantasy.
Who made that damn song? I ain't talking about the one by Earth, Wind, and Fire. It's another one. I think it was either the Fifth Dimension or the Five Stair Steps that made the fantasy song.
It might have been cool.
I'll look it up in a little while. Oh, Brian, I want to look at that City Field right now, y'all. The home of the worthless Mets. The home of the worthless Mets. They ain't been nothing since, what, the 86 series? No, they did win another championship after Gary Carter and them. Didn't they win one with Mike Piazza and the rest of the company? I don't know. They might have did.
No, they wish they did.
They got a new owner. He's a billionaire, and he likes to spend money. So, hey, you never know.
Yeah, because they what was the last championship they won? What was that, 86? I believe that was 86, I believe.
86, you're right.
Spending money ain't winning no pennants.
Especially when you spend it all on just one person. You gotta get a whole bunch of people, boy. Goodness gracious, boy. These New York teams don't be street of shit, man. These damn New York teams are the street. Well, actually, the Knicks are putting together a pretty good squad, man. I'm a basketball fan, so the Knicks is putting together a pretty good damn squad, man. A healthy, pretty squad.
You think that
Just like no amount will ever buy the stairway to heaven.
One year.
he's gonna want too much anyway? Look, all that money they spent on Carmelo Anthony.
Why does it?
I tell you, look, again, Dallas got a good squad.
Why does his voice start quavering and sound like he's in constant crying mode when he's thinking about me or talking about other people and the occupations and income they might have? I love hearing his voice sound like he's crying, man. Pay attention out here. Listen to the octaves. Listen to the stuttering. Listen to the change and the disdain of the mind.
That's what happens. The Knicks give up on plays. They go to another team. They're like superstars.
Does it sound like he's crying, or is that just all that consumption of hot sauce hanging on the back of his throat?
Yeah, it's true, man. It's all about chemistry, man. A single play is not going to do it. You don't see too many Michael Jordans or LeBron. Those are once in a century players like that. But hey, it is what it is.
Right over.
Come on, Brother Brown.
Yeah, I really hope that was some kind of a Watergate playback.
Was that Surfer?
Sound like Surfer.
Was that Surfer or an impersonator?
Oh, that was me.
Fucking homo can't even get my lyrics straight. Impostorator. Nor can he even define it. Alright, I'll be right back.
I know what I said.
Yeah, listen, the whole world gets a real bigger kick than I do here when you try to imitate, roll, act, talk like, and mimic me. I'm back quiet.
Not about you.
Let me go get another cup of Java.
Good morning, neighbor. Good morning, neighbor. The homo's a little irate. He's getting put on Front Street.
I'm crying.
Come on in, Brother Brown. Yeah, Pete, you real jerk off. You say good morning, Brother Brown, but your radio all messed up. I can't hear him at all. I don't hear him at all, right? You're good, because you...
Listen, I can assure you I never touched that radio he's talking on.
And no one asked you.
Go get you a cup of java, bitch, and stop worrying about what's going on out here, man. You ain't the one making them sound like what's in your receipt, baby. The king is. The non-jizz collector on back quiet.
Time, Brother Brown, I'm back quiet. There you go. Come on, server. There you go, Jimmy. Come on, I'm right back, number 4. I forgot that radio. I had it on that radio. That radio's got a problem. Good morning, 250, I'm quiet.
Top of the morning, sir. Top of the morning, brother. Is it live or is it Memorex?
Can't tell the difference. Live or Memorex, they sound the same.
That's like saying it's a Kodak moment caught on Fujifilm.
Same result.
You're right, it sure is the same result, man. Because I was on that block last night, so around midnight, man. I'm looking at them 2 antennas, and I'm like, damn! I didn't bring no goddamn wrenches with me.
That's all right. It's always within shot range.
Listen, that's what made it so ideal. It was right in front of the window.
It's all right. Like I told you, it's always within shot range. I'm pretty good, man. I was expert marksman in the service.
Watch it. They might come and collect yours by telling you they got a 30-year-old warrant with the wrong address, and you mock them by taking out the fire and pin and go, here you go.
I service all my own stuff, so ain't nobody took out nothing.
Now these little handheld things right here, you're gonna have to take them.
And wait till you see what I got planned.
What time?
Come on in, Nichols. I'm heading out to Queens, Nichols.
We'll bring your ass by here first, Captain Pickers.
You working?
I told you what you're gonna do.
You know what I'm gonna do.
Loud and proud, Make an extra seat. I told you, Captain Pickers, come on by here.
Yeah, all right.
Hey, Nichols.
Post up. I got a little time to run this thing down. You get on this gas a little bit. There's some amps get in there. Yo, test 1 2, test 1 2, test 1
Hey, Nichols.
Test of a brown horny, bro. Station. Hello, Nichols, your brown horny gun down.
Fulton, Big Brother Brown, while you at the ma'am sample, I'm doing the same thing. Give a little gas, give me a couple extra hams there so I can get in your radio. Brown, your little brother, Nichols Mobile, getting up.
Q to the tip, to the tip, to the Q. Q to the tip, to the tip, to the Q. Q-tip, Q-tip, Q-tip. Oh, brown horny, right back. Come on up here and Bayside Queens, right.
Hey, Nichols, if there's no leftovers, he didn't make enough.
No, I got you covered. I got you something special. Don't worry, I got you.
Man, turn around, run around. I don't mean to plug up with nobody's ears, man.
I don't go back on my word. I got you. It's gonna be special.
Hey, how much time I got? I got 12 minutes. I got 12 minutes before I can punch the time clock, so I'm gonna bump this damn thing down. It's a test of a brown horn broadcasting station. Your brown horn is getting down. Making all that damn noise in my radio. Not me, not I. I don't make noise. I make beautiful music. 10-4 morning, Brother Brown. I'm quiet.
Brown, that's what my baby says we're gonna do.
You go out here with some crazy shit, I tell you. Oh, man. Oh, wait a minute. I ain't thinking more than Freeport, Florida. What's going on? Hold on. I gotta go downstairs, y'all. All right, y'all drivers, y'all take care and beware, man. Y'all have yourself a beautiful, safe day. It's gonna rain today, so y'all beware. Good morning up here on 19. I gotta go downstairs. I gotta find my Uncle Floyd. Oh, Brown Horny getting down.
Brown, she put it up on Facebook and the whole nine, Brown. Brown, she put it up on Facebook and the whole nine. We are going to make beautiful music together.
You're right around there, but you sounded different. You must got to think right now, boy, because you won't sound like that up here last week, little plugger. Hey, Pistol, you was not sounding the way you sounded right now last week. But you loud and proud now.
I had a bad jumper. As soon as I changed the jumper, my dead key went from goddamn like 500 all the way up to 800, and my audio cleared right up. I thought Mikey was breaking my ball. He said, it don't matter what radio you're on. I said, okay, time to check jumpers.
Where you right now?
Roger, right on. And I still got plenty to go. On your weak spot, going home later, on your backside, we're going to give we're going to check out that Bearcat 980. Hey, Brown. On your weak side later, we're going to break out the cat scratch. Let me see what's going on in the world of sound. Allow me to see what's going on in the world of sound. Stick around. You're gonna hear electric music, solid walls of sound.
Cup of Java number 2.
Oh, no. No way. Richie Radio. The king. The sound. King. And I'm back quiet. I couldn't resist. When I'm spewing hot sauces like that. Let's see if it's time to get fun. Hold on, watch this. Click. Click clack. Click clack, they thought they cocked their damn gun back. Oh baby. Let's get busy, y'all. Let's get busy, y'all. Let's take it to the Terror Dome. Let's take it to the audio. Let's take it to the Terror Dome. What you talking about, Wallace? What you talking about, Wallace? Oh, da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. What you talking about? Oh, da-da-da-da-da-da-da. What you talking about, Wallace? Damn job, turkey. Right back, sir. Good morning. Hope you had a happy wobble and a gobble in your tomble. And may you have a blessed day. I ain't gonna tell you because you already know. You're most talked about, envied, feared, and speculated upon individual on this bandwagon. Ain't that peculiar?
Ain't nothing like a good cup of Archie second.
All right, I'll be right back, man. He making me feel like I need my fifth cup, so let me go grab it. Alright guys, I do perceive to believe that the whole in crowd went down to Channel 6, so you're holding the wall now, Crooklyn, Brooklyn, New York, shop the most talked about, envied and feared, the king is class.